Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. We got another little interesting radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Sanyo RP-1250. They were made about 1975 to 1978, and they came in two colors, the white and the red. There's the tuning dial right here, and this is shows you the volume level, the knob for the on-off volume, and the tuning knob. Turn it back on here a second. It's a little tinny, plus I'm in my office and I'm getting a lot of interference from all my electronics. AM only. And it is directional. So I'm sure it would do real good if you weren't in my RF noise area. Things in pristine condition. It looks brand new. Carrying strap, unfortunately it's plastic. I'd rather have the cloth one, but this is in perfect shape. On the back we have the earbud jack. Fits right in the palm of your hand. It's probably about 4 inches by 3 inches. Has 6 transistors, 2 AF stages, and 4 AM circuits. It was purchased by Jeff from Radio Addict's seller, and it was working. Didn't have to get anything done to it. Like I say, it's like brand new. And these were sold originally in Australia for about $7.95 back then, 1978. Now, I want to show you something quite unusual about this. And I actually had to contact Jeff and ask him how to arrange the batteries. At first, I thought it only took one AA battery, but I was wrong. Of course, I was wrong, and I didn't take any chance, so I contacted him first. So let me see if I can get this open. Get that piece of paper out of my way. Yeah, this is the side it wants to be opened. I'm going to have to use a screwdriver. Thought my hands are just getting too weak. There we go. Just had to get it just right. So check this out. When I first looked at it, I only saw these two contacts, which were down here at the narrow end, where batteries are normally inserted. And I said, I can't believe this is going to run off one battery. Well, I didn't even notice the two contacts here. So when Jeff wrote me back, he says, no, it takes 2. So I thought, okay, how in the heck are 2 going to fit in there? Well, that's when I noticed the other contacts here. So it actually takes 2 AA batteries. There you can see the circuitry. Pretty well crammed in there. Fairly good size for this size radio antenna. Very, very clean. I mean, this is like brand new. I want to thank Jeff for providing me with these radios. He loans these to me so that I can show them to you. Snap this back on. Oops, I didn't quite get it on straight. There we go. There it is. Turn it back over. Really nice. This is really easy to read, even though it's very small. They did it right. They printed white on black. These companies, that print gray on black. I really don't like that. It's really dumb, especially for me with my poor eyes. But they did it right. It is really easy to read. That's it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.